Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup collection. I don't know if people watch these anymore, but still hope you guys enjoy the video. So if you guys are interested in kind of seeing like an overview of some like lip products, eye products, face products, then just keep on watching and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I just wanted to do another collection video because I'm going to be bringing a lot of my makeup products to Toronto when, you know, all of my uni classes are in person. So just like a fun little makeup collection, I guess. And then on this side, I just have, you know, jewelry, perfume, brushes, bags underneath, which I'll be doing like a full collection later on. Definitely not the way to store your brushes. It's all squished into this like IKEA pot. This is the lip product section. So I just have this random little Jo Malone box. I'll definitely be doing a full lip product collection. I'm just kind of lazy to swatch all of these. Don't mind that. I just have random clothes in there. But anyways, yeah, I guess I'll just kind of give like a little overview. You guys know ColourPop back there, some Kat Von D, Lancome, Romand, like NARS, Crayon, YSL, 3CE, Romand, 3CE, MAC, Anastasia, Romand, I have Sigma, Clinique, Merit, some like Chateau Labiote. Oh, so these are like bullet lipsticks from ColourPop, and then I have, what are those? Like, what is this again? Peri Para, Sigma. I have like Bite back there. And then up front here I have Tom Ford, NARS, Charlotte Tilbury, Dior, Sephora lip gloss, Giorgio Armani, YSL. I have like a couple of YSL ones. I really like YSL lip products. And then I have a bunch of MAC lipsticks, which I did like a full collection on. I have some back there as well. And then Romand, like bullet lipsticks, as well as a Fenty lip gloss. All right guys, so first drawer, just kind of the same storage as like literally 3 years ago. Just have like a bunch of random stuff here. So face products, I have a random Bobbi Brown powder foundation, and then the STEM concealer, a Sephora concealer, NARS concealer, and then, which is really weird why all three of these concealers are different shades. Yeah. 2 Innisfree, like what is this, Snow Sebum primer, a like little sponge, a little beauty blender, yes, oh my gosh. And then I have a bunch of the ColourPop single eyeshadows, which I did a full video on, so just go watch that if you guys are interested. And then I have 3 of their like little face products, so I have like 2 highlighters and 1 blush. And then in this little thing I have, okay, so this is just the packaging. Isla tape from AB brand, pretty good. And then a NARS little orgasm blush, little like random Dior mascara, Merit highlight, Makeup Forever primer, Benefit brow pencil, Clinique powder, Innisfree powder, hair ties, MAC shadow, really cute little Merit blush. What is this? Oh, I have this little Herbivore pink cloud thing. Was it moisturizer? It's so cute, oh my gosh. And then I have a Fenty highlight, so that's that. And then this drawer, I just have most of my face products. Guys, my favorite product ever for face product is this 3CE blush. Don't mind how dry my hands are, by the way, guys. This is just the 3CE Style Nanda blush in the shade Rose Beige, and I have a backup right here. But yeah, I'll be linking this product down below. It's just the most beautiful natural coral blush color. And then I have Hourglass little highlighter in the shade, oh my, why do I keep like throwing everything, guys? But yeah, this is in the shade Incandescent Strobe Lights. And then another eyelash curler, DUP lash glue, which I really like, just some mascaras. This one from Merit is really good, guys. And then I have just like random ones. Innisfree, I have like, you know, what is this? Apu, my little mascara. This one's really good though. I don't know why my stuff is like separated. Pretty sure this is from Kiss Me, or is it Can Make, or Kiss Me, something like that. Kiss Me mascara is also really good. And then on this side, I just have some random blushes. In here, just have like random Too Faced. Pretty sure these are both Too Faced blushes. Some other products. Ooh, I really like this product, guys. This is the Sephora contour. Found this from Xiaohongshu. They're basically just saying like just like a cool tone contour, which is really good. This is in the shade Second Chance. Yeah, Second Chance. Really great for nose contouring, also face contouring as well. So just a really great face contour. Essence and e.l.f. products, which like I barely use, but I still have it. And then I have this one, which I really love. This is the MAC, like Shengjiang Gaoguang. What is this? This is in the shade Double Gleam, which I really love. Just a great natural highlight, beautiful champagne highlight. Also really love this contour. So if you guys want something a little bit more warm tone as a contour, I definitely recommend the Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin little contour. What is this? Oh, a Becca little loose powder, which I don't even think I ever used, but anyways, what else is in here? So Benefit brow pencil. However, my favorite brow pencil right now is the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. It's like my favorite from high school and I rediscovered it again. Really, really great. And then the Kat Von D eyeliner. And then I have single shadow. So this is the MAC Omega single shadow. And then just some more Etude House ones. These single shadows from Etude House are all new back here. I'm probably going to be listing them on Depop. So check my Depop out. Follow me on there. Always listed in the description box. And then this one I've been using a lot, or like used to use a lot. And then a random Sigma product, which is pretty much brand new as well, I'm pretty sure. And then just some random products, this random Benefit Hoola product, which I used to love so much. Like, I mean, who didn't? And then some Becca highlights, which I used to love as well, Becca highlights. So these are just, you know, OG YouTube products. What is this? Champagne Pop. And then I'm pretty sure the other one is in Moonstone. Yeah. This is from Too Cool for School, the Art Class by Rodin blush, which is another beautiful coral color, and I'll link it down below. Anyways, this is another really nice blush as well. Sigma Ninfea Aura Powder, like a really nice blush. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's a blush. And then another Sigma product, and then this random glitter shadow. Really, really pretty. This is from Bia. I remember I only used this product once, and I used it for one of the proms that I went to in grade 12, but yeah. And then Sigma stuff. Okay, and then I have a bunch of random eye palettes, which, yeah, this is a great one from Charlotte Tilbury. It's in the shade Pillow Talk, I'm pretty sure. Is it? Yeah, Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. Lancome ones, I have Etude House. This is like a Too Faced one, like the peach palette. And then some L'Oreal shimmer shadows, and then two Estee Lauder ones. This is like another one from Etude House, I'm pretty sure. It's like those like cafe palettes. Yeah, Etude House Play Color Eyes palette. I think there's like 12 colors or something and they're really, really nice. This is from La Biota, Tarte. This one my friend Linda gave me 1 year. It's from Hedon, a Chinese brand, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, ColourPop, Maybelline, Naked, Two Basics, Urban Decay, like, oh my gosh, Hamish. Yeah, a lot of ColourPop ones. Another Play Color Eyes. I have two of these ones, oh my gosh. My friend Carolyn got this for me, love it so much. And then I have this Kat Von D, like, you know, the contour palette. And then I have a couple of those, oh my gosh, what are they called? Like Pantone palettes. Put those two back there. It's pretty much, you know, my palettes. Yeah. And then just a bunch of random samples, like random lip gloss, contacts, eyelashes. Love these ones. These are like, I got these from YesStyle, but I used to get them from Taobao, and they're basically just like the best lashes ever. I'll link them down below. Like, genuinely my favorite. Oh my gosh, you can see my reflection. Like random shit, you know, sponges, eyelid tape palettes, masks. And then here, I don't even wear those type of lashes. Colored contacts back there, which they have like no prescription because I'm farsighted, and like most brands don't make farsighted colored contacts. So I like donate all of them to my friends, like the BTS ones, you know, sponges, AccuV contacts. These are like my daily ones. And then, you know, random palettes. I really do want to declutter and make sure that I just have like stuff that I actually use a lot. Maybe a lip product is an exception because I love lip products. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on my social media platforms listed in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.